All right, so we've got a variation on the out of stock notification theme, and I'm going to show you the full deal straight from the import. Imported that baby fresh. All right, so we're sending a Slack message when the product's completely out of stock. So every variant is going to have to be out of stock. Retrieve location is the main thing you're going to have to change because this is looking at a single location. And we had a request from a very high profile merchant, and not to brag, for location specific out of stock when the whole product, all the variants are out of stock. Okay. All right. We set the location. Now we're going to loop over line items. We're going to get the inventory for all the variants at a specific location for the product. And then we're going to just check if it's equal to 0. And if so, we're going to send a message. We're going to send the message. Hey, Vinny, I want you to go over to that place and send the message. Let me find an order that uses one of these. All right, 12:48. Let's try that one. 48. 12:48 in the PM. All right. Inventory is 7, apparently. And let's look at those test products. Let's look at those beautiful test products. And let's zero these guys out. And let's run it again. All right, inventory this time around is 0. Conditions passed. Oop, didn't set my Slack channel. Let's fix that. Run it again. Let's run it back. And let's pull it up. There we go. And you can't see this on my screen because I'm only sharing the whatchamacallit, but that's the message I just sent. Yeah, and then by the way, just in case you think I forgot about this edge case, why is it pulling up this product when I search test? This is some absolute nonsense. If it's doing a little bit smarter thing than just summing them up. So if you had -1 and 1, you might think it would sum those to 0 and get confused. But you would be wrong because I already done thought of that. Already thought of it, and so it's gonna basically, if it catches any positive inventory, it'll include that. So that's the deal. We will obviously post this to the automation demo section of the blog. Haven't done that yet as of this recording, but that'll be up momentarily. And you can download the thing and import it just like I did there, just the same way.